So guys, here is the last graph. 2, should be your solution. If you practice that. If you didn't, no big deal, it's on YouTube, you can check it. But I want to show you something. Remember, it's anywhere lines cross on a graph is the solution, yes? So what if you got something that looked like this? Remember, we saw graphs that were curves, right? What if the lines crossed like that? How many solutions are there to that one? 2. Picking up what I'm putting down? The systems don't have to be lines. In grade 10, the systems are always lines. But you need to understand that anywhere 2 lines cross, it's a solution. Okay? So what if I had something like this? Now how many solutions? 3. Picking up what I'm putting down? What if it was a crazy system that also had a line involved? Now how many solutions are there? Are these black circles solutions to the system? There's 3 lines now. So don't all 3 lines have to cross? So are the black ones solutions now? Yes or no? No, because they don't cross the red line. Understand? Are these solutions now? No, because the red line only crosses this black line. It doesn't cross this one. Does everybody understand? Okay, watch. I'm going to erase one of the lines. So the red line crosses that black line right there, yes? So that would be a solution between the red line and that black curve. Picking up what I'm putting down, they all got to meet for it to be a solution. So right now, do I have any solutions to this system? Is there any spot where the red line, I'll change this to a blue line, where the red line, the blue line, and the black line all meet? There's no solutions, are there? But what if that red line was there? Is there a solution now? 1, because that dot hits all things on the graph. You cool? Everybody okay with graphing? I don't want to spend any more time on it, yeah? Okay. I'm going to go back. I'm going to shut up for a minute. I'm going to record those 2 things I did on the board while you're practicing out of your textbook. Then I'll come back to you and we'll go over what was in the textbook. Cool? All right, carry on. If you need to go to the washroom, you go to the washroom. I don't want you making a puddle. Who's sassy? He's German. Germans are sassy. Haven't you seen? Go home and Google Saturday Night Live sprockets. Sprockets. And watch some video. And you will see Saturday Night Live making fun of German people. It's hilarious. And then when you all watch it tonight and Insta chat, whatever, Antonio, no, I refuse to call any of them anything because they're all equally evil. Okay. You know how people tell you that everything you do online is going to be there forever and you guys still don't care? You continue to put up things that should never be available to public, but you continue to do it. And when you get older, you will put up things on Facebook or whatever the new thing is. You twit face, whatever it is. You will put up, going to the gym for a 4-hour workout. At which point, every single person in your life knows that your house is empty for 4 hours. Yes. Yes, but the crazy stalkers, if they exist, don't know that. It might mean your family. Okay? Anyway, recently, and by recently I mean the last month or so, a lawyer in England actually read Instagram's 56 pages of rules. And he wrote out the 6 rules in regular English that you people need to know. And you know when old people tell you, don't put stuff online, it's a bad idea, and they and you immediately stop listening. I need to put it online. People need to see the bathing suit I just bought. If they don't, the world will end. Of course it won't, but that's beside the point. The world will go on just fine, just like it did 30 years ago when your mom bought a new bathing suit and didn't post it online. When did people see the new bathing suit? At the beach! Anyways, Instagram's rules, and they're all the same, are things like, you put a picture on here, you own it, but so do we. We can do anything we want with it, including make money from it. You cannot do anything with it, and you cannot tell us to stop. Why is Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Pinterest, why are they all free? Because they sell every piece of information you put on there. They sell it. They are making money off of you. Billions of dollars. Do you get a cent? No. Do you actually get anything out of it? No, you do not. Do you get it? When you go to Walmart and put down your money, do you get merchandise? When you go to McDonald's and put down money, do you get merchandise? When you go to Facebook and say, rock the gym for 4 hours, do you get merchandise? I'm well aware of that. I know. And that is what they are preying on. That is what they are preying on. It is worse than you think. And they can do anything they want to those images without your permission. So, are they allowed to sell that picture you sent in of you in your brand new bikini to a not so savory website? Are those not so savory websites populated by people who know how to use Photoshop? How easily is it done to make that brand new bathing suit disappear? Right. So maybe stop it. Because if you want it to end, share your information with your actual friends. That being said, I'm just watching a show on Netflix right now called Black Mirror. I've told you guys about this. Don't watch it because it's Yeah. The recent episode that I'm watching right now, people get a chip put in their brain that records their entire life. No, it's not cool. They have a little remote control and they can watch it whenever they want. Yes, that would be a very good idea for you people who do nothing but lie to your parents. Or to your boyfriend. Or to your girlfriend. Or to your pet rock. Or whoever is important in your life. Oh, I didn't say that. Zzz. Yes, you did. Everybody thinks it would be awesome until you really think about it. Anyways, I'm going back to this. Yeah. Okay, I forgot that there was a third option in the practice in your notes. This one right here. The first two were easy because there was a letter by itself, yes? So in this one I have to make a decision, correct? What's the easiest letter to get by itself? For the first one would be Y. Well, then you're going to have, don't write this down, then you're going to have 5y equals negative 4x plus 2. Then I would have to divide by 5, yeah? Barf, I get a fraction. Who likes fractions? None of you put your hand up, you hate them. So that's hard to do, right? What about this one? 4x. What if I went negative 20y equals negative 4x minus 3. That's no good either. Fractions again. What about this? Negative 20y minus 3 equals negative 4x. Is that better? 20 will divide by 4, won't it? But does the 3? Still going to give me a fraction. Could I do it with fractions? Yeah, but it would be a pain. Can I do this another way? What do you see there and there? 4x is in both of them, isn't it? Well, doesn't 4x right here equal 20y minus 3? Doesn't it? Well, isn't that a 4x right there? So what could I write? Instead of 4x, couldn't I write 20y minus 3? So I would get 20y minus 3 plus 5y equals 2. Could I solve that? 25y minus 3 equals 2, correct? 25y equals 5, so y equals 1/5, right? Because 25 divided by 25, right? Now, can't I put that right there? So 4x equals 20 times y. That's 4 minus 3, yes? So 4x equals 1. What does x equal? 1/4. So my answer there is 1/4, 1/5. And that's easy to check, isn't it? What's 4 times 1/4? He waited patiently. Still patiently. Exactly. Don't worry about it. If I have 4 quarters, how much money do I have? $1. What's 5 times 1/5? 1. What's 1 plus 1? 2. So is this the right answer? Yes. Please notice I am allowed to substitute this way. Anytime I can substitute, I'm allowed to do it. I don't necessarily need it to be a single letter. Do you understand? Because they were both 4x, I could take this whole 4x and make it 20 minus 3. Cool? Everybody good? All right. So I'm going to stop recording.